Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process in the Fiverr Crash Course 2.0, a complete guide for aspiring freelancers. Fiverr is an online platform where freelancers can offer services to clients from all over the world. It's a great place for anyone looking to start freelancing, as you can create a profile, list your skills, and start earning money by completing various tasks or gigs. Services on Fiverr range from writing and graphic design to video editing, programming, and more. The first step to getting started on Fiverr is creating a profile that stands out. Your profile should clearly show who you are, what services you offer, and why you're the right person for the job. Make sure to use a clear, professional photo and write a bio that highlights your skills and experience. It's also important to be specific about the services you can provide. To stand out in the crowded Fiverr marketplace, you need to choose a niche that fits your skills. Whether you're good at writing, design logos, or doing voiceovers, focusing on a specific area helps you attract the right clients. Starting one or two services you excel at is a good strategy. Once your profile is ready, the next step is to create your first gig, which is the service you're offering to the clients. When creating a gig, make sure your title is clear and catchy and your description explains what you're offering and how it will benefit the client. Be sure to choose the correct category and tags for your gig so that it showed up in relevant searches. To succeed on Fiverr, it's important to set competitive prices at the beginning. Offering reasonable prices can help you attract clients, and as you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Fiverr allows you to offer different pricing packages, so providing basic, standard, and premium option can give clients more flexibility in choosing your services. One of the important aspects of freelancing on Fiverr is delivering high-quality work. Your reputation is key to getting repeat clients and great reviews, so always strive to exceed expectations and meet deadlines. Happy clients are more likely to leave positive reviews, which help you grow your business and attract more jobs in the future. Quick responses to clients are also crucial on Fiverr. Clients appreciate fast communication, so always respond to messages and job offers as soon as possible. This shows that you are professional and reliable, which can improve your chances of landing more jobs. A fast response time can also help you build trust with clients and increase your chances of getting hired. After completing a job, don't be afraid to ask clients for reviews. Positive feedback is essential for building trust with future clients. The more 5-star reviews you accumulate, the more likely you are to appear in the search results and attract new clients. Fiverr Pro is a premium service that offers high-paying clients and exclusive job opportunities. However, to become a Fiverr Pro, you need to go through an application process and get approved. If you're just starting, it's better to focus on getting positive reviews and building your portfolio before applying for Fiverr Pro. Managing your time effectively is another key part of freelancing on Fiverr. Make sure to set realistic deadlines for your gigs and use a calendar or planner to stay organized. It's also important to avoid taking on too many gigs at once to ensure you can deliver quality work without feeling overwhelmed. Overall, Fiverr is an excellent platform for aspiring freelancers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.